everyone, welcome to another video of Pacycle. Today we have a new product for you. This is the bicycle cargo trailer. So let me show you how to put all the pieces together and make it work. So first of all, let's open the box and get all the pieces out. I'm going to show you everything step by step. We're going to put it together and show you how to make it work. So we do have this part. This is going to be to connect the trailer to the bicycle. It comes with two wheels. Here are the wheels, and the last piece is going to be the trailer itself and all the pieces that come with the trailer. Okay, now all the pieces are here. Now when all the pieces are here, I'm going to open this from the back. So now that we have the trailer out, the first step we're going to do with the trailer is put it up. So now we're going to put all the pieces up. Now we're going to put all the pieces up here and fix them in place. So how we do that? With these sides here, we're gonna lock them in side. Just take this one out. Just test this hole and fix the sides of the trailer. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just take this piece out. And fix the other side as well. Make sure that it's tight so it doesn't move. And now we have both pieces fixed. This part you will notice is not fixed, so we do have here on the side option to fix it. Here on one side, just pass the security pin on one side, and let's do the same thing on the other side, as security in here. And okay. Now it's all very stable, and we can move to the other side. So we can take it this part out. So here, this part comes with a little bag. How it works? Let's take them all out. The bag, we are going to put it inside. So you can see this is how it looks like. We're just going to put it here inside and fix it. This is going to make sure that all of your equipment doesn't get out of the trailer. So it's all safe. We're going to fix it everywhere. We can do the same thing on the sides. All four sides. And the last step, also fix it on the side. If you want, you also have a cover that you can put on the top of the trailer so you can cover all of your things. And that way, when you're recycling, make sure that nothing gets out of the trailer. You can also use this to fix it around. So you make sure that the top cover is not gonna fall when you're cycling. Last one. Perfect. Now, all the stuff can be inside and nothing can move. It's perfect. We just need to fix the wheels now. So, the wheels come with the protection here on the side. The only thing you have to do is just take it out and then put the wheels in the holes on the side. So when we remove the protection on the sides, you're going to have a hole as well. There is also protection, so take it off. And how it goes, just push the wheel into the trailer. You're going to hear a little click, and that's it. We do the same thing on the other side. So we do have this protection to remove and also the protection on the wheel. Perfect. Now we just need to push the wheel inside until you hear it. Now, as you can see, we need to fix it on the As you can see now, the wheels and everything is ready. We just need this part so we can fix it on the bicycle. So you get this part, which you can just fix it here in the front. There is a tube hole, so you just need to push it inside and fix it for the stability. You use the safety pin. Sure, it clicks with the safety pin. You have two options. You can push it a bit lower and then you have two safety pins, which is even better, so you're sure that this cannot move. Now that everything is installed, now we can connect it to the bicycle. The next step that we have with the trailer, you will also get the lights. So let's install the light on the back of the trailer. It does come with two lights, so we do have the white and the red light. We need to connect it here and add it to the back of the trailer. Now that everything is installed, we are ready for the ride.